Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with celestite, the stone of divine information. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, listening to its supportive qualities, and deciding if that's a stone that you would like to work with some more. And today we're going to be doing that with celestite. And if you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of celestite, then I will link that above. That was posted 2 days ago, and you may want to pause this video and watch that one to get a good feel for the supportive benefits before you start into this meditation, but it's not required. If you do have a piece of celestite, then this is the time to go get that and sit it by your meditation space, but a gemstone is not required to benefit from this guided meditation. If you're listening to the prompts and one or more of them calls to you, it feels really familiar or triggers you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some celestite and work with it some more. The only other thing that you'll need for this meditation is a comfortable seat. That could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside, just as long as you could stay comfortable and alert for about 10 minutes during the meditation. So if you have your gemstone or you're ready to picture a lovely sky blue gemstone in your mind and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your awareness to how it feels in your body to breathe right now. Then bring your attention to the rest of your body and notice if there are any physical sensations that stand out to you right now. And bringing your focus to your heart center. Acknowledging any emotions that might be with you right now. And then coming on up to your mind and noticing the status of your thoughts. Are they calm? Are they busy? Now, we're not trying to change anything or strive for any perfect way of being. We're just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. And then bringing your attention down to those places on your body that touch the cushion or chair or the floor beneath you, and feeling that connection to the earth. And remember that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, directly over its center. You have access to all of the Earth's energy, and you are perfectly supported and protected during this guided meditation today. And if you have a piece of celestite, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the gemstone today. And take some time to feel the gemstone in your hand. Feel its weight, running your fingers over the surface, seeing where it might be rough, where it might be smooth. And take a minute to get to know your piece of celestite. And if you don't have a gemstone, then picture a soft sky blue gemstone in your mind. Notice if anything changes in your body, your heart, your mind since you've picked up the gemstone. Then imagine that you're laying back on the ground and you're looking up into a vast, clear blue sky. Wisdom is limitless, and you can tap into it all. And sit with this image of celestite energy for a minute. Celestite is the stone of divine information. So as you sit and hold or imagine your celestite, then consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Do you want to initiate or strengthen your connection with your spirit or angel guides? Do you want to deepen your intuition? Are you currently a student of a spiritual or religious tradition? Are you a spiritual teacher, educator, or author? Do you want more peace and harmony in your life, particularly with relationships? Celestite is a stone that can support you in all of these life situations. And if one of these stood out to you more than the others, then bring it back to your heart, to your body and your mind, and we'll sit with this scenario for another minute or two while you hold or picture the celestite. And notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation since you've been holding the stone. And then notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, or your mind since you started this guided meditation. And then release the image of the celestite energy and release the situation that you were sitting with, and just come back to your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today to sit in meditation with celestite, the stone of divine information. And if you found this useful, if you feel like celestite is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then these guided meditations were meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you could quickly call up the support of the gemstone whenever you need it. And that is the essence of how crystal wisdom works in your life to bring about transformation and change. By knowing which situations that you want support with, which gemstones will help you, and then sitting with them and using them on a regular basis. This helps to inspire discovery and change in your life. If you're brand new to the channel, or you've been watching the channel for a while and you're not yet subscribed, then please do hit the subscribe button, because I talk about a different gemstone every single week and how it can help you really improve the quality of your life. Thank you so much, and I will see you again next week.